we're gonna work on is swapping out the OEM steering wheel with an NRG hub and a quick release that's sitting right over there.
It was the same last time, but now it is a
Oh, it's a Supra. It's a Supra.
It's a Supra now.
It's a Supra. All right, so first step when you want to do this is disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery. So we gotta disconnect that, and then we gotta turn like in an accessory on your car. Press the brake, turn the lights on. I recommend this just to kill what's left of the system of the power. And after once that is done, your airbags shouldn't deploy anymore. Shouldn't. It won't deploy. But other than that, we're gonna start disassembling the steering wheel. Holding the the airbag is gonna be one over here, one down here, one right there, one down there, and it's the same thing on the other side. What size are they?
Tens? Tens.
Yeah. Oh, like anything in the car, tens.
Ready? It's gonna blow. Explode. Alright, so how do you disconnect it?
You point this towards the camera guy, and then disconnect it.
Wow!
So one down, and then boom, it's off. Now you got a bomb.
These sell for like 30, 40 bucks anyways.
Alright. This is crucial, where you gotta keep your steering wheel straight. So this is straight enough. But this is the final bolt before this whole thing comes off already.
This is good to do with the gun so that you don't twist it.
Yeah, get the gun.
There you go.
You're hot. You're not.
Ha!
We're doing 17, an impact, and boom, final step. Hold the steering wheel with your leg, or him have a helper on your hand. And boom, it's out.
Don't lose that one though.
Yeah, I just had a third nut. Alright.
Alright guys, so now that actually we got the studs in there, I'm going to put it back. The process is super simple. So yeah,
Well, it's not coming up. How did I do this before?
With some leverage.
Ah.
Like that.
For the people that want a horn, I'll make another video of that because he doesn't have a horn, so.
Okay, so with these, they always, most likely never have the horn connected correctly anyways.
I don't.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have a horn.
If you ask people who have their horn connected with that, they had to do like custom work on it to get it to work actually.
It's not custom, it's
You
just,
solder
it
it.
takes a little more effort to put it on, but.
You could always just connect it to like a random button that you have.
And you gotta like mess with the wiring here,
Yeah.
and this happens. So,
But you don't
No horn
need it
today.
if you don't want the horn.
I'm not the guy for the horn. Oh man, this one cutsy. What?
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to disconnect it even. Put it on myself. But what I'm trying to do is line up this top hole with top of this, so no matter what, it'll be straight to me. So we'll get this done by disconnecting these. There's just a bunch of Allen keys with it.
Behind the scenes on the go. He doesn't record himself working on it. Hey, it's off. There you go.
Yeah, but as you can see, I already took off my.
Yeah, you took off the horn.
Yeah.
The horn, which one?
This is point that's straight up.
That's the point that's straight up?
Yes.
Okay.
Because that lines it
Alright.
up perfectly.
Alright, there you go. So he's got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's pretty much it. Just throw the nut on in the middle and then you tighten it. The splines on the thing already are aligned, so it won't move on you anymore.
Just gotta keep on pushing
You
it
gotta
in.
keep pushing it in and then tighten the hell out of it. Bam. No, that's
Torque
not
to
coming
spec.
out anymore.
Putting it on the quick release.
Which is, what is this? 6 volts?
Yeah, 6 hex screws.
6 hex screws. Throw those on. Make sure you tighten them in a sequence, like a star pattern, so they could both sit evenly. And that's pretty much it. And then we'll continue on after they're all on. So that's it. Pretty much it. Throw it on and boom. You got a freaking aftermarket steering wheel. That easy. Alright, so now since this thing has been sitting out in the sun for a minute, now we're gonna move it out of our boot spot and onto the car. Here we go. Alright, same steps as before. We're gonna do a small light layer on it, and then once it's dried up, we'll hit it with the fat layer on it. Here we go. Like as I was saying, a super light layer, not too much, just enough to cover it and cover the spots. And then now I'm about to do the second layer on it. Get some food, Cheetos, and water.
I'm pregnant.
And now he's pregnant.
They left it all together. I was here, so.
Step is pulling off the 2GA wing. And I was gonna leave little holes right here, but it's fine.
We'll do some work later on with that.
There you go. And then you gotta change this. G on me. There we go. Okay, so there's one board here. There's another board over here. And there should be a third board right here.
Are they 10s?
Yeah, they're all 10s. You got that bolt right there. And then you disconnect the wiring. Wait, you did for the third brake light.
Oh yeah,
And that
for
should
California laws, you need a third brake light. We have one at home.
And then for the high rise, always, I don't know why people always tend to put the wing forward to back, but always the freaking holes for the high rise already on here. All you gotta do is drill them out, and then they will line up no matter what. And we'll do that right now. Damn. All right, for these side ones, is it coming off already?
Yeah.
These side ones, oh, this is big.
No, not this. No. No, when
I see now this needs to be removed. You can have a little hole right there. I cover mine with the sticker. Bam. Low rise off.
Nobody needs that.
Damn, look at that. What was that? Take it off. Oh, just like that. Ew. Alright, so next you want to get a drill with the bit on it, a metal bit, and make sure it's not bigger than a 10mm bolt. Size 10. This is literally
like
what uses the high rise.
It's like 8mm thick.
Yeah, just a 10 on there. Boom, easy. You just need 4 of them.
It should be like an M8. If
So-
anything. Don't go bigger than that.
Okay, so right now we're gonna start drilling the holes. So, okay, like I said, this is the hole that you're gonna need. You can see it right now.
Test fit.
I gotta go a little bigger. Check.
Yes.
Ta-da!
Perfect.
There you go. Another one over here too.
Alright, salvage title.
Alright, now let's test fit the
Wing.
wing.
Alright, so put the prop up.
The other hole should be right here for the next one. The next one is gonna be right here. So we'll.
Got it?
Oh, I need a longer bolt.
Okay, well, let's see if this. I don't think so. You can tell me. Is it?
Yeah, like longer bolts.
No, it's tight.
Is it?
Look at. This one won't move.
This is it?
DSM Essentials. Spare bolt box.
Well, it goes on. But just for now, just
Look at
test
this
it.
This one's on.
Damn. Alright, just to see where it's at.
Damn.
There you go, you guys. Is it starting?
Yeah, that's what
There you go. So everyone doesn't have to mess with how far it goes back and how far it goes forward. Because from this side, that's all we have. That's it.
Alright, so now that that's test fitted, we're gonna get the other bolts done. Is it lighter than before? Or no? So he was saying they were in.
So the next bolts right here. Yeah. One right here and one right here.
Are they like angled in there? Or is it straight in?
Just straight in.
Alright, so you're just gonna go straight in through this one. It's the first big old hole.
Same thing with this. I'm gonna go straight in, but we're gonna take the wing off.
Yeah, don't want to ruin the wing yet.
Alright, so we just put it straight.
We got them drilled out, but they're most likely not gonna be perfect.
So we're gonna have to adjust right now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna throw the wing back on again, and then we're gonna see how far off. It's literally not that much. All it is going straight.
Alright, so we're gonna get this back on and show you what we're talking about.
Alright, how far off?
We're looking for the hole holes there. Literally, this is to the left a little more. It needs to go to the left a little more.
That needs to go down. That one needs to go down.
So pretty much all he's doing is just moving the hole, elongating it. Alright, so
they look pretty good.
that one's pretty good, and the other one I can't really see. So
Pretty good.
yeah, it's pretty good, he says.
Now, we
long
got
as
the
it-
bolts on.
As long as it goes in, it's good.
Look at that. We need longer tens, man.
I think so.
We need to look for some longer tens.
Alright, we're gonna look for some more longer tens for this. We'll get back to you guys. Alright.
So we got the bolts in here and the bolts up there, and that's pretty much it. That's how you install a high rise.
Yep. So we're just gonna get this tightened and we'll show you the finished product, I guess. So let's see how this is.
Alright, there you go.
Bam, that's it. That's it.
The high rise fits OEM specs.
It's just like the fuck out of me.
You just fell.
I hit my ball tree.
Just clean that up a little bit. That's it.
Dude, it looks so plain, dude. The high rise makes DSM. Honestly though.
Alright, so we got his wing on, his wheel on, we got the fender on. We did the headlights actually. I didn't record that, but we did that real quick. Might as well. And yeah, that's the final outcome of the car. Now next step is gonna be, hopefully, the bumper on and some side skirts. Oh yeah, we gotta do the hood. I forgot about the hood. We gotta do the hood. Can't match the hood. But yeah, that's the final product on that. Damn, dude. 2GB? What 2GA? Oh yeah. You got rid of the RF sticker. Alright guys, but that's it for this video. We'll be working on more on the cars, and then keep you guys posted. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.